Muingi ni uthingatitwo kurumirira nginyo cia Amwari, Marikina Zaweri Nyambura na Agnes Teresa Wanjiku Mwangi. Akiungano kia Mary Immaculate Nyeri ni wirutiri wao hari gutungatira muingi na kanitha na makiria aria matari na uhoti muturire-ini.
Na kupanda hiyo mbegu ya imani. Vile vile kuwaongea na wasichana na vijana wakiwa na wanaitwa na Mwenyezi Mungu, waitikie mwito wa Mungu kama Nabii Samuel.
This is the kind of love Sister Malakina inspired in everyone around her. We lost our dear sister along the way.
We have so much to say of our beloved Sister Malakina, but the shortness of it is that she was a peacemaker in our entire family, in every disagreement, in every difficult season. She was there. She was the one who brought calm and brought us back to one another.
Niritana riketio hindi igongona ria mitha ya kuhurukia aya eri rira ritafanirio kiungano-ini giki kia Mary Immaculate, makiririkanwo makiria ni wirutiri na mithingi mirumu maraigite kanitha-ini ona kuri muingi.
They have enriched our congregation, our local church, and the entire body of Christ through their fidelity, service, prayer, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication. Through their lives, though their lives were not without suffering. Like many consecrated women and men, they carried hidden crosses with remarkable courage.
Aria marari nao kiungano-ini makiririkana ngathe icita itugi cia kumatha ugi kungetie arwaru na oho njera-ini itiganite undu umwe na kuheana motaro mariumiririe kuri aria marari na mathina muturire-ini,
driving them to seek out the lost and the broken-hearted. Through their heartfelt compassion, they touched the souls of the people, not only providing for their physical needs, but by helping them encounter the healing love of God.
Andu a nyumba cia Amwari aya ikimaririkana ni unyitaniri wao na family ciao ona thengi wa gukora muturire wao wothe mawihothete gutungatira kanitha.
And he was one of the cleanest and neatest persons we knew. Our fun moments with her were when we were doing laundry with her, because she would clean all the children's dirty socks.
Your love for your brothers and sisters, children and grandchildren was evident to everyone who knew.
She was not defiant, however she was determined. For the call of duty to serve God.
Arire jaji ate ana korodena miaka 17 ni uhe handu ha guikara mwaka ungi umwe hingie miaka 18 ya kwiyatha niguo menye tondu ndainukana baba no akunyendia reke nginyie.
Amwari aya makihurukio umuthi thutha igongona ria kiririkano gutafanio muthi wa Jumatatu kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica Nairobi.
And Sister Malakina Nyambura of the Immaculate Sisters of Nyeri, that she may also rest in peace. She was personally known to me. She was like a mother to me, as a young seminarian and even as a priest.
Ni igongona rirahumbitwo riri ni andu a ikiro ngurani ari hamwe na munini wa muikariri giti wa kambuni ya Royal Media Gathoni Macharia. Amwari aya mahurukite tofuri-ini twa kuhurukia Amwari mwena wa Mathari Nyeri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Njeta Theuri wa Bogo.